Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use netherite bricks. To begin, understand that these blocks offer exceptional durability and blast resistance, making them ideal for fortifying your most important structures. They also provide a unique, dark aesthetic for high-end building projects, ensuring both security and style in your Minecraft world. To craft netherite bricks, you will need 4 netherite ingots and 4 nether bricks. First, gather netherrack from the nether and smelt it into nether bricks. Then, combine 4 netherite scraps, obtained from ancient debris, with 4 gold ingots to create 1 netherite ingot. Finally, arrange these components in a crafting table to produce your durable netherite bricks. Netherite bricks are excellent for constructing highly secure and visually striking structures. Their blast resistance makes them perfect for building impenetrable bases, protecting against even the most powerful explosions. You can also use them for elegant decorative elements, adding a sophisticated, dark sheen to your castles or modern homes. They are also ideal for fireproof pathways. Beyond basic construction, netherite bricks offer advanced utility. Their extreme durability makes them perfect for encasing sensitive redstone machinery, ensuring it remains safe from accidental damage. Consider them for challenging parkour courses, providing a solid, unyielding surface. Ultimately, using netherite bricks means your most cherished builds will have unparalleled protection and a distinctive, powerful appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.